So here I'm going to give you a tip for Flutter web app. The tip would be regarding debugging and printing log on your web console. So here, this is my web application, and of course in my case it works perfectly. I don't have any issues now. So what if I want to debug that certain thing that don't work, or I just want to know more about the application? So how to go ahead and debug this thing? Okay, so in general, if your Flutter application, in your application, of course you're gonna write a bunch of logs just to test whatever you want to do and check. So you would go ahead and do that one. Okay, so it's a bunch of print statements. Okay, it could be debug print, it doesn't matter. So once you do that, and then you might run your Flutter application from here or through any hosting server, it doesn't really matter. You go ahead and run it. In my case, I'm running it over here. You run your application and then you can just do inspect. So once you are here, actually you can click on this console and then you'll see a bunch of logs over here. So let me show you. So say here I am, and then it says popping screens. Actually this is my print message on my Flutter code. So anyway, so here I am again, and here I do see that a lot of these logs. Now obviously these logs are here, as we have seen early, that okay, I just put some mark over here like 0, 0, 1 and 1 and with some information, and this is exactly what we see over here. Okay, 0, 0, 1 and different kind of logs. Okay, so this would help you to debug your Flutter web app.